Okay, so in the world of containerization, containers, um, Docker containers, and all the kind of containers that are out there, you will quickly find out that you will need to have a a registry, where you need to store your images. And the good thing is that AWS has its own elastic container registry with which you can store your images. So I'm going to show you how to create a public and private registry. So we hit create registry, and there is the option for you to choose whether you want to do a public or a private. For now, I'm going to select the private. And just remember that your registries have a unique name, right? Just like your emails. So we're going to create a name for your registry. Let's give this. Okay. So this is just, it does the same thing that Docker Hub does. So if you have a Docker Hub registry, it's the same thing, but this is just cloud native to AWS. And that's all you need to do. You click, and we have our private registry. You can import your Docker containers, your Docker images, to that. Let's go ahead and create a public registry. Do the same thing, given a name. Okay, I'll change that to public. And basically, for starters, that's enough, right? That's enough. So we'll click registry, create registry, and that's it. So we have a public registry as well as a private registry. So another thing I'm going to show you is how do you connect it to your terminal, right? That's the public registry. For example, you select and then you click view push commands, and the first command you find there is what you're going to use, right? You copy that, you go to your terminal, and then you paste, right? So let's paste that, and all that does is to authenticate you as a user, an AWS user, to that particular registry, right? Before you do this, you would have configured your AWS CLI, all right, and you would have entered in your password, passkey, and your secret passkey. You would have done all that, right? And when you hit enter, it takes a little while, but eventually it's going to log in. So once this is done, yeah, that's it, login succeeded. You can now build your Docker images and push them directly to AWS Elastic Container Registry. So if as a beginner you've learned something new, it's not a bad idea to give me a thumbs up. Also not a bad idea to subscribe and put a comment below to let me know what videos you want me to create next. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.